Hello, today is July 30th, 2026. We are conducting a video source inspection for one of our international customers. This is their 102S controller, and up here is our control panel along with our light indicators, which lets us know what is happening during any given point in time during the process, of which our process will be a rinse at 30 seconds at 500 RPMs, a purge at 5 seconds at 1800 RPMs, dry 1, 30 seconds, 1800 RPMs, dry 2, 30 seconds at 500 RPMs. This will be inspection 1 of 2, so let us begin. As you can see, our RSP is disengaged, we are in rinse, and our door seal has engaged as well. When we transition from rinse to purge, you will notice our bowl heater and our N2 heaters turn on. Purge will turn on and our rinse will turn off. Also, our N2 will engage. And now we have, as you can see, we have entered dry 1, indicated by our purge disengaging. And you will notice as we enter into dry 2, our anti-static will turn on and no other changes will be made except for the RPMs will drop. All right, the process is ended, our RSP is engaged, and our door seal has unlatched. This concludes the video source inspection. Hello, today is July 30th, 2026. We're conducting a video source inspection for one of our international customers. This will be video 2 of 2. As you can see, this is their 102S controller. Above, you can see our light indicator panel along with our control panel. We'll be running an abbreviated process. Our rinse will be 30 seconds at 500 RPMs, purge will be 5 seconds at 1800 RPMs, dry 1, 30 seconds at 1800 RPMs, and then finally dry 2, 30 seconds at 500 RPMs. Let's begin. As you can see, our RSP is disengaged, our rinse and our door seals are engaged. As we move into purge, you'll notice rinse shut off, our purge N2, and both of our heaters will engage as well. We're now in dry 1 as indicated by our purge disengaging. Now our anti-static is engaged and our RPMs have dropped to 500, indicating we are now in dry 2. All right, this concludes the video source inspection. Thank you for choosing Sitek, where we make wafer drying a breeze.